Hello everyone, this is Mia. In this video, I will show you more functions about the TD108 watch receiver. Now let me show you. First, go to the prompt setting, and you can see the light is on. And if you want to choose the vibrate, press the menu to confirm, and again to remove it. The light, remove it. Okay, that's it. So you can choose the one that you need. And this is the alarm repeat 1 time, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, and 9 times. Okay, this is the power timer. You need to press this one to add. And if you want to change the beat, you can use the menu shortly, like this. And use the up and down to change the setting. Okay, now you can see we set this off. And how to delete it if you don't want to use the power timer, just long press the menu. Okay, it will remove. And this is the timer, the same function, and the same step. And use this one to change. Yes. And if you don't need the timer, same as well. Just change it to 00. Okay. And this is the pinning remind. Like this. Will be fine. And this is the alarm clock. If you need, you can add it. The same to change the bit. Okay, and up down to change it. And the same step to remove. And the clear history. And you can set the clear history time, how many times it will clear. And this is the date and time setting. And this is the language. And we have 3 versions of languages, so you can check our website for more options. And you can set the password. If you don't want to set it, just leave it, will be okay. Okay, this is the default setting. So if you have no problem about this watch, so don't use this function. For this black box, you can see the call record here. Okay, this is about the watch, and that's it. Thank you so much for your time.